When Chinese manufacturers start exposing the dirt on what we call luxury brands, you know there ain't no going back. Hello, I see your business Navy. Welcome back, got some new tea to share. But before I begin, remember to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button to get the newest mix-up we have for the week. Chinese suppliers exposed last week that all the top luxury brands outsource and use cheap labor to make their luxury items. In other words, brands like the ones shown, my screen, are making you pay thousands of US dollars for same bag you probably paid $20 for. So really, all along, when you buy designer, you are paying for the brand name on the item.
Chinese factories are exposing luxury brands made in China. They show the world where your $1,000 handbag or $100 pair of leggings really came from. They now offer you the exact same thing. No middlemen, no markup. In a bold move that looks more like economic warfare than manufacturing, Chinese workers have lifted the lid on a $1 billion fantasy. A large proportion of the handbags, shoes, and clothes that claim to be made in Italy or designed in Paris are actually produced in China. As Trump's new tariffs hit Chinese exports, factories are fighting back, selling directly to you online and denouncing the whole hypocrisy. On TikTok, it quickly went viral. A recent investigation found that Chinese-run factories paid workers $2 an hour to assemble Armani handbags that sold for $18, but they still bore the Made in Italy label. This is all smoke and mirrors. These TikTok revelations are shattering that illusion for good. If your $2,000 wallet is made by the same people but is a $50 replica, why pay 40 times more? It's not just China that is breaking the rules. The brand is gaming the system too.
They are basically scamming the consumer into believing that luxury brands were made in a different way and tripling the price of their items.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
China is exposing all these luxury brands because they've been selling lies to you saying made in Italy, made in France, but they're actually being manufactured in China. 80% of all this product, and this is why I had an argument over it with my partner last year, because I paid £23 for white Air Forces that came straight from China, and she said, oh, those are fake, I will never wear them. And I said to her, look, all of these products that you wear, everybody's wearing, they are manufactured in China, and here's the proof. Because of the war tariffs, all these brands are being exposed, and you're paying stupid prices for brands that actually.
So if you are the type of person that love wear brand name items, sorry to burst your bubble, but it ain't no different from what I'm wearing. The Chinese are planning on discontinuing postal services to United States and increasing the prices of their Chinese clothing items. This includes Alibaba, AliExpress, and our beloved Shein. So Jamaicans better fork up more money after this month for your courier packages, because the prices of collecting our packages are going to be high, not to mention the price tag on our Shein cart.
I say I have to make a video about this. This is cheese, yeah. This is so embarrassing. Or I mean, I used to eat cheese or something. So my auntie carried the bun and cheese come here. Think yesterday. See? Me see that bun here, but treat of the fruits them on it, me don't like it. Me never open the bun. Me never fool with the cheese. Now me say me go take one taste off of a bun and cheese, and me a laugh off of everybody on TikTok. Because me a say, me get plastic thing with cheese and everybody have iron a fight with. Me say me get plastic. So me have to do a flip off my cap and cut my cheese. Only if you go bulk up with this, I shave you. I shave like a dog. What me say? I shave like a dog. After me I laugh off of everybody, I say for them cheese, I have to fight for come out. And me get plastic cover, me can flip off like chiffon butter. And look at me now. Me not am this one.
Is this your current struggle this Easter? Tastee cheese is the best. But why y'all trick your Jamaican consumers like this? We are tired of the tin fighting. But which one do you prefer, fighting with the tin can or lowering the quality of our beloved Tastee cheese? I rather fight with my tin can guys because for me, Jamaica has the best cheese.
So Tasties, you ever tell me say plane a flying in the sky? Man a skydive, man a go out of space. We have electric car, we have computer. And you ever tell me say technology can't advance enough for you just make the cheese easier to get to, virgin? Why the cheese have to so hard to get to? We have to beat up the side them and we can't get to the cheese all now. This about the 50 millionth Easter. And I know we can't get to the cheese, virgin. Me feel like Jesus would have the same problem here. Everybody from 1980 how much have the same problem here. From Tastee's established who have the same cheese thing here. Fix it, man. Me have to beat up the side, yo. By the time we get to the cheese, me nobody want it. We don't name all 4.
To open a tin of cheese is actually insane. Also, so blowing the cheese out of the tin, unless you're the only one eating the entire wheel.
Emotional, damn it!
Let's do this the easy way. You just need a tin of cheese. You need a can of something. You need a can opener. I don't want to hear it. All of you guys are walking around with $100,000 phones. You can't more than buy a can opener. First things first, I eat your brains, and then I'm a rock gold teeth the banks. First thing we're going to do is remove the label. We don't need this. Now we're going to open both sides of the tin 2 different ways. Let's actually start cutting it this way first. I don't have the terminology. Bring it around town. Bring it around town. Then we're going to give this a little flippy flip. We don't need to take this part off yet. Then we're going to put this once up. And we are going to cut around its head. Yeah, cut that tin of cheese. Cut that tin of cheese. We're going to cut. Boom. We are exposed on both sides. Now line that back up. Grab your can. And we're just going to drag that off. Boom. Quick and fast. Tin of cheese in one piece. Remove it. Up. Then flip it over. Get all that out of the way. And remove. And remove. And voila. We lost literally this amount. And it took me less than 5 minutes.
Anyways, Tastee heard the cry of the Jamaican consumers, and the result, a new improved tin that you won't have to use an explosive to open.
Alright, so we're showcasing our new packaging for Tastee cheese, and this will be in your supermarket as of next week. You recall that in the past, people have complained about the difficulty with opening and getting the cheese out. We have responded, and now you'll be getting for Easter packaging where you can remove the top, pop the lid, and the cheese will fall out. Nice and easy. So we are listening and we have responded.
Let's hope this new and improved cheese tin can really is less of a hassle